Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this easy beginner makeup look. To start with, I've already prepped my face using Lakme primer and I'm going to apply this foundation by Nykaa in the shade beige. If you don't have such fancy tools guys, you can always blend with your hands, which I always do it in when I'm in hurry. And next I'm going to apply this Maybelline Age Refined concealer. Lately I've been obsessed with this. You will see how it brightens up my under eye area. Can you see that guys? Here I'm just applying the loose powder by Maybelline in the shade beige again, and I'm going to contour a little bit over my jaw area as well as nose, because I am not blessed with any perfect nose, so I need to do a little bit of contouring on my nose. Moving on, the next step, I'm going to fill my eyebrows using Essence Eyebrow Kit, and you can see how much difference it creates guys. And then I will be doing my eyeshadow, or I can say eye makeup, with this sleek palette, and I'm going to take the neutral shade, applying on my outer corner of my eyes and the darker shade in my inner corner. I'm going a little other way around. You will see how it turns out. You can leave it right here if you don't want to go a little overboarded. If you want to, then go ahead and apply a bit of shimmer eyeshadow on your eyelid and blend everything equally so that there is no harsh lines seen, and that's what I'm doing right now. The next step would be tighten my lower lash line using Kajal and applying mascara by My Glam. This is the basic mascara which they have guys, and I really love it. Just to give a little bit of pinkish color, I'm going with this coral blush by My Glam and a little bit of highlighter. And yeah, to complete this look I will be using the lipstick which is by Smashbox, and this is the shade Attitude. This actually fades me out guys. Here I'm showing a trick guys. I will be using lip liner over my lipstick. You will see how it actually turns out. Did you see that? I absolutely love this look guys. Do let me know what you think about this makeup look, and yeah, if you create, don't forget to tag me on my social media. And yes, I shall see you guys on my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.